Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fast video tip, I'm going to show you how to flour a baking tin or baking pan that you're going to use for a cake. Get some oil. This is just vegetable oil, a little bit of oil down in the bottom. Silicone brush. Just get it all in there, all around the sides. You can use butter as well. If you use butter, you can use a little piece of paper towel to get it in there. So just up on the sides, just like that. I have a little bit of flour here. This is half a teaspoon. It might be maybe 2 grams maximum, not even. Just get that in there. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be accurate. And then what you want to do is you just take the flour and you go all the way around. Now I'm going to be making brownies in here, so it doesn't have to come up too much on the sides. And you just want to shake it, just get it all in there. Another even faster way is to keep your flour in a little shaker like this, and then just dump in a little bit, as much as you need. You're just going to go around, all the way around. Shake it around. And there we go, and that there is how you flour a tin. This is ready to go. Pour your cake batter, brownies, whatever you have into there, and it's gonna pop out nice and easily. So that's it for today's really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.